Select role as SSODW. Press on submit. Again go to error sheet. Click on discrepancy raised on demurrage charges to view that discrepancy. The discrepancy is displayed on your screen. Double click on the discrepancy. Entire discrepancy will be displayed on your screen with the amount and with age, forwarding remarks, and reason and remarks for raising the error sheet. Now you type your forwarding remark. Here also you have got three options. You can either cancel discrepancy, or send back to AA for rechecking, or forward to AA for raising error sheet. Just type your forwarding remark. Here I am typing forwarded for approval, and I am just sending it to AFA. So I will click forward to AFA for raising error sheet. It will display successfully forwarded to AFA. Click on OK. Now just come out of SSO's login. Press logout. OK. Login with the AFA's ID. Select role as AFADW. Press on submit. Go to error sheet. Go to discrepancy raised on demurrage charges. The discrepancy will be displayed on your screen. Just double click it. You will get the entire discrepancy with reason, A's forwarding remark, and SSO's forwarding remark. Here AFA has got three options. Either cancel discrepancy, send back to SSO for rechecking, or approve and raise error sheet against all forwarded error sheets. Now I am just approving it with approval remark. Just type your approval remark. Say approved and error sheet raised. Click on approve and raise error sheet. It will display error sheet raised successfully. Type on OK. Once the error sheet is raised, it will be displayed to station. Station will either admit or object the debit raised. When the error sheet is raised, it will be displayed on debit side of station balance sheet. When the debit is objected by station, the same will be viewed in AA's ID. On receipt of the same, AA will either accept station's remarks or reject station's remarks and forward it to SSO. And SSO in turn will forward it to AFA. AFA either send it back to SSO or review or approves and issues the CAN. Once the CAN is issued, it will be shown on credit side of station balance sheet against special credit column. Now I will show you how to view the issued CAN. First I will come out of AFA's login. Now go to AA's login. Click on error sheet. Go to error sheet raised on demurrage charges. Here feed station status as all error sheets, and it will show all error sheets. Month say September. Retrieve discrepancies. Click on retrieve discrepancies. It will show all error sheet raised in the month of September. Now different color codes have been given. The color codes are displayed at the bottom of your screen. Now this sky blue color stands for can issued. Means for that particular error sheet can have already been issued. You can select any one of them. Then on the extreme right side you got three options: view error sheet, view can, and action taken. With view error sheet you can view the error sheet. I will show you. Just click on view error sheet. This is the error sheet you have raised, for which station has objected and you have issued can. You can print this error sheet. For this, print option is given on the extreme right hand side. Second option is view can. Just click on that error sheet, then click on view can. It will display the can issued for that particular error sheet. Here is the can number. Here is the station name, and here is the total amount for which can is issued. And here are all transactions for which can is issued. And this is the total amount for which can is issued. Again, this is a printable format. For this, print option is given on the extreme right hand side. Now the third option is action taken. This will show complete transaction details, that is right from A to SSO, SSA to AFA. Full details of transaction along with the remarks given by each personnel. This is also printable. Print option is given. Same procedure is to be adopted for wharfage charges. In wharfage charges, the error sheet will be raised wagon wise. For demurrage, it was rake wise, and for wharfage, it is wagon wise. For each wagon, you can raise error sheets. Thus, now we have seen entire journey of demurrage, wharfage, error sheet transactions. That is from A to AFA to AFL level, and issuance of can from station to AFL level.